Baby, who are we about to see right now, babe?
We're about to watch
My man?
Yelawolf, aka Cynthia's Sanch. Look at this parking lot, it's all empty. Right now they're doing the mic check in the background.
It's alright, because you know what?
Look, listen.
It's sound check right now for Yelawolf. He's about to perform, and I am stoked out of my mind. Yeah.
Hold on, don't get out of here.
I want to get out. Yeah, I want to see Yela.
Wait up, I gotta take a piss. I'm gonna kiss right now.
Woo! Yeah. All Mars. Being a little curvy. Yeah, that's what's up, my man. Doing what he does best. We're about to see Yelawolf, and I am stoked out of my mind. Right, babe?
Next yellow right here.
Yeah, that's my yellow right here. This is my substitute right here.